Oh my goodness. You know, today's a very special day. As you see, I have Caymus. Very exciting, amazing wine. And this is for my dad, but the reality is this, you know, he's turning 89 years old. And I was thinking, what would be funny, you know, like when you're getting older and you're just sort of willing to try new things. I wonder if he were to drink this whole bottle, would he also be willing to go to a rock concert? And will he be able to maybe start skydive? Or maybe try to do hula hoop? Or just try to do stuff that you normally would not do when you're 89 years old. Happy birthday, Dad. I love you. Try something new. Do something crazy. Be silly. I want to wish you a happy birthday, Papi.
Thank you very much. Appreciate you coming and see me.
Love, Papi.
I feel some bright. Sometimes, you know, I feel no quite well.
Wonderful.
When you told me today, Papi, I'm going to be there, my heart was beating so fast. Tuk, 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 tuk. It's like, well, my son coming.
Happy birthday, Papi.
Thank you, Danny. In the name of my family and your daughters and your wife, I was very happy when your wife called me today. Say, Danny, felicidades, muchas felicidades, Danilo, y te deseamos muchas cosas buenas en tu vida y en todo el resto de tu vida que te falta. Vamos a ver si Dios quiere me da salud y fuerza para seguir luchando.
Lucha, la lucha.
Verlo de ustedes triunfar como hasta ahora, echando para adelante con mi nieta, tú, mi hijo, con ella, con tu esposa, con el resto de mi familia. Te agradezco muchísimo que se hayan acordado de mí. Hasta Nancy me llamó de Italia, me llamó Loli, me llamó Juan de allá de Córdoba, España, y estoy muy agradecido por todas las felicitaciones y los recordatorios que han hecho hacia mi persona.
Claro.
Y nada, pues me alegro mucho que estés aquí.
Muchos Maona.
Oh, man, coño,
right here, we're celebrating. Right there, that's where we all end up. So enjoy the wine, enjoy life, because if not, we will end up in a cemetery. So live your life to the fullest. God bless you. Just wanted to say I had such a great time with my sister, my dad, going to the Colombian restaurant. It was so nice. You know, it's the quality. Here are my beautiful daughters, my wife. I had to add them in there so they can be part of my dad's 89th birthday. Happy birthday, Dad. Happy birthday, brother. Yes, Sophia. Yeah, it was a good time. I'm so lucky and blessed to say that I have a father. Love you, papito.